Hello and good day. My name is Darshan, and today I would like to present a project that I have created for InvenX competition, and the project is called ITP Skill Tracking System. So it is a web-based system designed to improve internship monitoring, skill tracking, and communication. So currently, internship management is mostly manual. There is no centralized system to track students and their skill progress as well. So the communication between students and supervisor is kind of insufficient. So my system provides a centralized platform for managing internship activities, and also it integrates skill tracking, report submission, evaluation, and also communication. So here I would like to demonstrate my system. So firstly, here is a demo account for a student. So I'll sign in, and here we can see the student's dashboard. So in the student's dashboard, there is the total skills that have been achieved by the students, and then the reports that the students have submitted, and also the average score. The students' skill tracking system will give them an average score of how their internship progress is going and stuff. So here the students can view the reports that they have submitted, and here they will see the skill progress that they have attained. And also the students will be able to view their supervisors, which is the industry supervisor and also academic supervisor as well. So at this log today's work section, the students may enter a task description that they have done for today. It's like a daily log. It's for their own reference, so they can give a task description there. For example, develop system, and the skill that they have used is, for example, Java, and the total hours they spent to master this. For example, a whole day, it's almost like 5 to 8 hours. So here they can enter, and they will have one total skills with active tracking on, and here they can see their skill progress where Java they have obtained 12%. So the statistics is based on the hours the student have spent on learning a new skill. So here we can see the students' weekly report. This is where the students will submit their weekly report. So for example, let's do like week one, and then uh, develop system. It's So here is an example on how they will have to write their weekly report, but these are just short terms, but they will, it's up to them how they want to write, and up to the supervisor how they want the student to write. So here's a Monday summary, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and also Friday for 5 days. And also the student can upload a file over here on their weekly report that they have done through a separate place like Word or through PDF, something like that. Here they will choose the file and they can finalize and submit the report. So, for example, let's submit my own report here for an example. So now it's submitted. So they can view their result report over here, and the week number one and a summary is like develop system, and the status is pending as the supervisors haven't approved yet. And here the student himself can download here the file that he has just uploaded. So other than that, there is a feature in the system where the student can send messages to system admin or the two supervisors as well. For example, we can check this message later when I'm presenting on the supervisor's page. And here the student will have to update their details, including the major and also the company details over here. For example, this just a demo thing that I updated here. You can just save the changes. Okay, so now we will move on to the supervisor dashboard. This is the industry supervisor's dashboard. So here they can view the assigned students and the reports review, which the student just submitted. They haven't reviewed it. yet, so it's action required, and the reports to review is one, and pending approvals is nothing so far. So here are the report from the student, the week, the highlight, and they can view the report as well here. And then this is like either the lecturer can approve or reject. So next is the lecturer will, sorry, the supervisor will also evaluate the student over here, and then the technical mastery, they can either put 1 to 5, and so for the communication and also some general comments. Here is the performance overview of the student. It says we have a track bar over here, and so exactly as how the student, the industry supervisor can send messages to. So next we can move on to the university supervisor dashboard over here. So here is the students that are being monitored by them, and the reports that are submitted by the student. And here is the student's name, the week, and here they can also view and download the report and the action where they can say pass or fail. So they also will have an academic evaluation, which will be the final evaluation for the student. So they will rate the student from 1 to 5 on the aspects of professionalism, communication, and also they can add their basic summary feedback. And same as the university lecturer, sorry, industry supervisor, the university supervisor will also have an academic feedback overview, and they can view their assigned interns details over here. For example, the student name, student ID, email address, major, and also contact number. So as we can see here, we can view that just now as in the student account, we have sent a message, and we can view it over here as well. So now it's for the admin. So for the admin page, they have the details of the total students and the total companies. It's like partner institutions that are using this system. And we have the active superiors, which is the industry and academic combined, which is 2 for now. And here there's a student and supervisor matrix where the student's name and the industry supervisor and also the academic supervisor who are synced together will be shown here. We can also export a report showing that who are the student assigned to which supervisors, and it is printable too. So next is there's a system activity trend. The weekly report submission activity will be noted down here. This is just a demo, but according to the submissions done, it will change. So next here is quick user registration. So we can register, for example, a student over here. This is like a student or like company or university supervisor or even admin, but this admin will be a sub admin under the main admin, super admin, which is us for now. So then they can add their own username, password. Sorry, not their own username. It's under admin. So the email address, the contact number, the student ID, and also the major or department. Here is the supervisor mapping. So once the user is registered, the admin can map the student to which supervisor and which academic supervisor they want to assign to, and we can finalize mapping over here. As same as all the other users, admin do have a messaging system as well. So that is all for my presentation on this system that I have developed. So this is just a prototype which I have developed, and I'm looking forward to improve this system as well and make it a real working web-based system. So that is all from me today. Thank you.